Welcome to EcotwinAI, a cutting-edge digital twin platform for monitoring and managing smart building sensors. Simply open your browser and visit sensor.ecotwinai.com. From the left panel, access the management dashboard and explore your project tools. Use the project menu to save or load your digital twin environments. Under Scene, import 3D building models and deploy virtual sensors with ease. The Connection tab allows you to enter your server address, port, and database credentials to connect live data. For demonstration purposes, an online sensor simulator has been built, sending live data from 21 sensors every 5 seconds. This includes temperature, humidity, CO2, and light sensors, as well as a solar farm. Once connected, all sensors appear automatically by their device IDs and names. Within Scene, Environment, you can upload your own building model or select a sample from the library. Use the top toolbar to move, rotate, or scale your model. Navigate the 3D scene effortlessly. Left-click and drag to orbit, right-click to pan, and scroll to zoom in or out. Double-click any model or its name to instantly focus your view. To add a new sensor, select one from the Sensor panel and click Add Sensor. Position it anywhere in your building, adjust rotation and size, and link it to a device ID from your connection list. Click Show History to visualize data trends over time. Here we're adding a humidity sensor, placing it in the scene, and saving the project for future monitoring. Finally, let's load a previously saved full project. You can now see all sensors, real-time updates, and performance dashboards, including a solar panel group with shared device information. EcotwinAI, bringing buildings to life through digital twins.